cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our Precut Chrome Delete Kit, but what you might not know is that Bogart Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogartechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Kia Telluride, and we're going to do the side chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So this is how the side panel looks before doing the installation. And this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material in order to black out the entire side panel. Link for the product will be provided below. With that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the side panel. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're not able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you can use tack solution. Tack solution contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. But if you're able to remove everything with just the slip solution, you should be good. So grab your solution, spray it onto a clean microfiber towel, and start removing all the contaminants that the panel may have. Clean around the surrounding area just in case if the film does touch the paint or any other part of the vehicle, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And then once you're done with the prep, make sure that everything's dry. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down to the panel. So because this is a one-piece installation, all we need to do is just grab the driver's side section. So with this one, just start aligning the film to this edge right here. So just carefully align it to the edge. Make sure the chrome is being covered, and then the rest, just align it to the panel. Make sure you're covering the chrome and just adjust it as needed. Pretty simple installation. Once you place the film, go ahead and just grab your squeegee. Start removing all of the air bubbles that's trapped underneath the film. Help it tack down. And just slowly tack everything down. And then once you remove all of the air bubbles that are trapped underneath the film, we're just going to go ahead and grab our heat gun. You can also use a hair dryer and start sealing the entire edge, especially on this side here. We're going to just help the film wrap and stay tacked down around the curve here. So just by applying heat, seal everything, and then we should be good. But before you seal, make sure inspect the film that you don't have any air bubbles. If you do, just squeegee them out. So just grab your heat device, lowest setting, start sealing the edges, and then we should be good. So once you finish sealing the edges, if you see that you still have excess material, for example here on the top section, you could tuck in as much as possible, but once everything's covered and you still have extra material, just go ahead and just create an outline with your finger. That way you know exactly where the gap is, and you could insert your blade. You only need just a little bit of the blade out. Insert it right in the gap and just slowly trim off the excess material. Just take your time doing this part. Go slow. And then just trim off what you don't need up until the edge. And then just carefully remove the excess material. And you should be good. So just do that on the top section here. On the bottom, you're more able to tuck in the film. So just tuck in everything that you can. And then if you have excess material here, just trim it off also. Just use the gap that's here and trim off carefully. Okay, and that's pretty much it. And once you're done trimming, the last thing to do is to pulse heat everything. That way we help the edges tack down wherever we trimmed off the excess material, and also we're just going to help the adhesive activate faster. So once you finish with the installation, the last thing to do is to post heat everything. So make sure to post heat the entire side panel. You can use a heat gun or a hairdryer. Use the lowest setting on your device and just apply heat evenly throughout the entire panel. Take your time doing this process, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the side chrome delete installation for the Kia Telluride. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Don't forget to check out our other kits for the Kia Telluride. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.